Episode 8, Ratio and Proportion, Part 2, Proportion. A proportion is a statement that expresses two equal ratios. So kapag ang dalawang ratio natin ay equal, ang tawag na doon ay proportion. So meron tayo ditong example. So we have triangles to circles. So ang ratio niyan ay, yes, 2:3. And then another set. So triangles to circles uli ay 4:6 naman. So proportion yan, yung paano natin babasahin yan? So, 2:3 equals 4:6. So, paano ba natin malalaman na yan ay equivalent or proportion nga? So, kung mapapansin ninyo, meron tayo ditong dalawang triangle. So, ilang beses siyang dumami dun sa kabilang side ng proportion natin. So, dalawang beses na dumami yung triangle. So, dapat yung circle ganun din. So, ilang beses dumami yung circle natin. So, dalawa din. So, kaya naman yan ay proportion. Ngayon naman, i-discuss natin ang parts of a proportion. So, meron tayong 2:3 equals 4:6. So, we have here yung inner terms. Ang tawag natin dyan ay means. Ulit, yung inner terms ay tinatawag na means o yung nasa loob niya. At yung outer terms naman, yung nasa labas, ay tinatawag nating extremes. Yung outer terms ay yung nasa labas ay tinatawag na extremes. So, how to know that two ratios are proportion? So, two ratios are proportion if the product of the means is equal to the product of the extremes. So, ibig sabihin, pag pinag-multiply natin yung means at pinag-multiply natin extremes, equal yung kanilang products. So, example natin. So, yung 2:3 equals 4:6. So, pag multiply natin 3 and 4, yung means niya. So, 12. Then, yung namang extremes o yung nasa labas, 12 din. So, ito ay proportion. We can also use cross multiplication to know if the ratios are proportion. So, pwede nga natin gamitin ang tinatawag na cross multiplication para malaman natin ang dalawang ratio ay proportion. So, example natin yan. So, we have 4:3 at 8:9. So, cross multiply natin 4 times 9 equals 36 and 3 times 8 equals 24. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, magkaiba yung answer ng product. So, this is not a proportion. That's all. Thank you and God bless.